and welcome to my channel. This is your first time here. Hi, my name is Kiara and this is my channel, Hey Key. So if you clicked on the title of this video, it is the summertime and I had to do an unboxing and also a what's in my bag featuring Coach. Coach has been in their bags lately and this is perfect for the summer. Like when I saw this bag and I got it on sale, I was like, I have to do a what's in my bag review with this little cute little bag. Let's get into the bag. I got the Coach Tabby. It is so cute and it's so little, y'all, and I love the color. And I actually got it on sale. When I got it, it was like $142, but like regular price is like $200-ish. I'll have all of the details in the description box below, of course, but yes. And I'm sorry, y'all, when I'm recording this, I am looking at myself and I am just loving my jewelry. Like in the summertime, I love wearing gold accessories. So I have like this gold, like simple statement necklace from Luisa. And I have like this cute gold bracelet right here. I'm gonna like do a close-up for you guys. I just really love gold accessories in the summertime. It like makes my skin pop. It just makes the outfits go together. And this is like perfect for like work or cute little, you know, social, just daily wear. It's tarnish free, so it's sweat proof, it's all of that. So you can wear this in the sun, you can wear this out on the boat, and the beach, like just out and about. I just can't stop looking at myself. Sorry, y'all. But again, this is from Luisa, and I will have all of their details in the description box below as well. I bought this with my own money. Coach did not sponsor me. This is the Tabby. It's a 12-inch Tabby, I believe, and it has like a cute little like handle right here, and it also comes with a shoulder strap as well. So you can have the option to just wear it like this, or you can have it like across your chest, you know, like a little strap bag. I'll probably do both, just depending on the vibe, depending on the look. I don't know, I'll probably do both, but this bag is so cute. I love like the lilac lavender color, and then it almost matched my nails, almost. But when you open it, you know, and before I even get into that, you know, Coach has really good leather quality bags. So I've had Coach bags for years. Like the leather, the material, it is always good material. So you open it and, oh, that's just like a little Coach card. Oh, and there's another one in the back, hold on. So yeah, this is a soft purple, and this is the 12-inch Tabby. It doesn't have a price on here, but online, I believe it was like $200 regular price. But remember, I got it on sale for like $142. But again, I'll have all of the information in the description box below. So yes, it has like a little back pocket right here, a front pocket right here, another side right here, and then a back one right here. And it also has like a little zip. So if you have like some cash or, you know, some coins, you can just zip it up in there. So it's very small, but this is cute. I guess it's not practical for everyday wear, but this is cute when you're going out at night, or you got a cute little date, or, you know, going to like a little festival and you really don't want much. Like you just out to be seen. You out for the vibe. So that's why I got this bag. It's cute, right? It's cute. So let's see what I can fit in this bag, or what I would actually put in this bag for just like, you know, going out on the scene, going out, kicking it, you know the vibes. So let me grab some things and let's see what can actually fit in this cute little bag, and I'll be right back. So I grabbed a few things from my work bag that I'm carrying, and like just to make this make sense, like some stuff that I would actually carry in here when I'm out trying to be, you know, social, enjoying summertime shy. You know the vibes, y'all. So the essentials. I'm gonna need a driver's license, and I'm gonna need some money, some cards, right? I'm not gonna show it because, you know, safety. But, so, we have a credit card, a debit card, my driver's license, right? So I'll put that in there. I got some cash. I think I'll put it in like the first little slots right there. And then I also have this mini portable charger. I think it works for Androids and iPhones as well. And it has like the little, the cords are already attached. So you just pop them out just like that. This is perfect for concerts or on the go when you're just out and you don't know when you're getting back. Phone will not die. Thank me later. This is cute and it actually matches my cute little bag. And I'll just put this like right in, hold on. Let me move the cards around really quick. Let's see. Okay, so yes, I'm gonna put my charger in the back and then I'll put my cards towards the front, just like that. And then you gotta smell good, y'all. You gotta smell good. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna put like my cute little Joe Malone in here. And then I have like a NYX butter gloss. Like I can't do much with this, so work with me, y'all, work with me. That right there, my Joe Malone. And then I need gum, but since we have this cute little bag, I can't do gum. So remember, I don't know how old you guys are watching this video, but way back when they used to have like these breath strips, and then after a while, like we could never find them in the stores. Like they were just nowhere to be found. But I found them. They sell them at Walmart, and there was like 5 of them for like $5 or something. I don't know. But these are perfect for on the go, and they don't take up a lot of space. And that's that. That's it. I guess my keys, my car keys will be in my hand. I don't know. But this is it. Let's see if this thing will close. I hope it does. And we're gonna get it in. Okay, I got it. Not quite. Well, you know what? I'm gonna move the cash to the back because I just don't want people to know that I got cash right there. Okay, so I moved the cash to the back. So the only thing that's really in the way is like my little portable charger, but I feel like I can make this work. Or should I take out the perfume? Let's see, can I take out the perfume? Would that work? Oh, that's what it was. Okay, so with this little bag, it's either gonna be my portable charger or like this cute little Joe Malone sample, but well, it's not even a sample. You can't even like buy this, but you know what I mean. It's a nice little on-the-go spray, but I do have like an actual sample from like MFK, so I can just put like a cute little sample in here. But in order to do like an actual perfume or the charger, it has to be one or the other. So unfortunately, I need to keep my phone charged, so JoJo gotta sit out. And just like that, we are good to go. And that is the bag. Can y'all just get into the bag? This is it. That's it. In the jewelry, can't forget the jewelry. Summertime vibes, summertime shy, gold looks fire in the summertime. And this is what I'm gonna be wearing out. I wish this was gold hardware because this would match my aesthetics for the summer. Like this would be so perfect, but it doesn't matter. Gold and silver, silver and gold, we'll just make it work. But if you guys wanna know, again, this is from Luisa. This is affordable jewelry that will not tarnish. It is sweat proof. And did I mention it is affordable jewelry? Because everyone is on a budget. Life is expensive, but we still need to look cute, right? So if you have any questions or you want these pieces for yourself, please check out my description box. I'll have everything in a description box below, have all the details, and I'll also have the links to the jewelry. But that is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you guys once again. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out in the comments below. If you didn't already, like, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the very next video. Bye, guys.